Hi guys, welcome to this video about the CyberLink PowerDirector and the problem which happened to me a couple of days ago. Yeah, usually the CyberLink PowerDirector is really reliable, especially for the price. It's a good thing. I can highly recommend it. But from time to time it happens that it produces a really strange error, like this time when I put everything into my timeline, like the video and then some background music and everything, and I thought everything is ready. And when I clicked on the play button to check if everything is good, there was just a black screen and nothing else. So you can see I can play
Most
for
valuable
short
data
time,
is on
or I can run along the timeline. You can see there is really nothing. When I click on it, you can see that there is something, but I mean, it realizes that there is something like a video, but it's not able to play. I have really no clue. There is nothing which I can put in foreground or background. I mean, if you have something, let's say here we have track 1 and we have the thing on track 2, I'm sorry for that, which has a video. Of course it will overlay the video track of the video of track 1, but there is no video, that's just audio, so it actually shouldn't be a problem. And I have been doing that 100 times and it never was a problem, but it looks like for some reason it consider this track as a video and it overlays the video of track 1, something like that. I have really no clue what why this problem was. There was no way to really solve this, so I have found at least 2 solutions. Maybe there are more solutions to solve that. The first and easiest solution, of course, is to mark all the items of track 1, and we grab it. I mean, we click on it with the left mouse button and drag it down just to track 3, which is of course then has priority against track 2. And when we go into this thing, we can see that this is definitely the case. That definitely should work. It looks a little bit weird because track 1 is empty, but I think it shouldn't really cause a problem. Maybe we can even mark everything and push it up to 1 and 2, and yeah, still works. Okay, that's a possibility, but let's go back to the original version which we had here, which causes the black thing. And the really super strange thing, or the strange solution, is this one. When we mark everything, press Ctrl C to mark everything, then Ctrl N for a new project. We go here and press Ctrl V, which is just new project with everything the same, no difference, as you can see. And we go along the timeline, you can see that that's again working. I mean, I don't know why that the CyberLink PowerDirector in the first project had the idea that this is a video track which overlays track 1. Yeah, but at least we have some solutions. We don't have to start from scratch. So that's the good thing, the good news for you if you are also affected by this problem. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, or you have other solutions, or the solutions didn't work for you, so leave any comment in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.